Hey everybody, Mr. Flanders here, and we're jumping into day 2 of our science and our social studies. Go ahead and make sure you have your packet open to week 6, day 2, for our science activity today. And while you are flipping through that, I'm going to write my name on the top of my paper, and then the date, 2/2/21. That stands for February 2nd, 2021. Okay. So yesterday we were talking about things that are invisible, things we can't see. And one of the images we saw yesterday was a doctor looking at an x-ray. And today what we're going to do is continue looking at x-rays. Because all this week we're going to be focusing on the things that aren't normally seen. Okay? And x-rays, not only are they things we don't normally see unless we break a bone or something like that, but even with an x-ray, you can only see certain things. Okay? So, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at what we got. X-rays take pictures of your bones. Doctors use these pictures to see if your bones are healthy. So x-rays take pictures of your bones. Doctors use these pictures to see if your bones are healthy. Okay? You can see the bones here, and you can see a little bit of muscle through here. Okay? It's really hard to see the muscle. You can really see the bones, but not so much the muscle. Okay? So that's pretty cool. I mean, x-rays, it took a lot of studying. It took a lot of experimentation to actually get x-rays right without hurting people, and I think it's pretty cool that we can now see into people's bodies to see their bones. It's pretty awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and look at question 1. What do x-rays show well? Do they show fingernails well? Do they show bones well? Skin color well, or hair color well? What do x-rays show well? Okay. What do x-rays show well? Fingernails, bones, skin color, or hair color? Circle the correct choice, and we're going to move on. Number 2. What do x-rays show with less detail? Muscle, freckles, skin color, or temperature? What do x-rays show with less detail? Muscle, freckles, skin color, or temperature? Think about what we can see in this picture here. Okay? And think about what we only can see a little bit of. Okay? All right. While you are taking a second or two to finish this up, I'm going to go ahead and flip to our social studies for this week. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video. Take a couple more seconds. Let's get flipped to this. If you need to pause the video, like I said, it's fine. But otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move on to our social studies. Yesterday, we were talking about teachers, how teachers can be leaders, okay, and how teachers are leaders in the classroom. Well, today, we're going to be talking about the principal. And if it wasn't obvious with our lesson yesterday, all this week we're going to be learning about individuals in the community that are leaders. Okay? Teachers are leaders in the classroom. Principals are leaders in schools. In the next couple of days, we're going to talk about a couple of other individuals that are leaders out in the community as well. Because it's not just going to be about people at school. It's going to be people in the community. And if you remember what community means, it means the neighborhoods and places around us. The people in those places as well. They're part of the community. But hopefully you've had enough time to go ahead and write your name and the date at the top of your paper. For now, let's go ahead and jump into this passage about the principal. The principal. The principal is the school leader. She helps the teachers. She helps the children. She tells us the rules. We listen to her. I'll read it one more time. The principal is the school leader. She helps the teachers. She helps the children. She tells us the rules. We listen to her. Let's look at question 1. Based on the text, who helps the teachers? So based on the story up here, who helps teachers? The painter, the doctor, or the principal? Based on the text, who helps the teachers? The painter, the doctor, or the principal? Take a couple more seconds and circle the correct answer. And then number 2. How does the principal in the picture feel? So let's take a look at the principal here. The question asks us, how does she feel? She is angry, she is happy, or she is tired. Those are our choices. She feels angry, she feels happy, or she feels tired. Take a couple of seconds and get that done. All right, my friends, this was a pretty quick lesson today. Good work. Make sure I'm getting these pictures of the completed work, though. Otherwise, I can't grade what I don't have. You guys know that. So make sure I'm getting these pictures, okay? Otherwise, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get running. Stay strong out there. Stay positive. And I will see you all tomorrow. All right? Bye, everybody.